Hi boys and girls. Today during Daily 5 we are going to be using Rainbow Write. Our phonics skill for the week is short U. Short U says as in up, or umbrella. We are going to write with a pencil today, and then we're going to color in with crayons. So I want you to match me as we go. The first thing we're going to do with our pencil is write our name at the top of our paper. Way to go. You can see on the left-hand side we have numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The first thing we're going to do is write our 10 short U closed syllable words. I know a word is a closed syllable if it has a short vowel sound followed by one or more consonants. Our first word that we're going to write is the word rub. B. Rub. Will you please write the word rub for me on number 1? B. Rub. Way to go. Now with pencils, we are going to write the word fun. Finger stretch. Fun. Please write with a pencil. Fun. Our third word today is the word gut. Finger stretch the word gut with me. Gut. Gut. Please write the word gut. 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 The next word, number 4, is the word cup. Let's finger stretch the word cup. Fingers ready? Cup. Cup. Please write the word cup. And I love when I can hear you and see your fingers finger stretching. Way to go, boys and girls. The next word is the word tub. Tub. Fingers ready? B. Tub. Please write the word tub on number 5. B. Tub. Our 6th word is the word nut. Nut. Fingers ready? Nut. Please write the word nut on number 6. Nut. Way to go. Number 7. Let's do the word hum. Hum. Fingers ready? Let's stretch the word hum. Hum. Please write the word hum. Hum. Nicely done. Our 8th word is the word mug. Mug. Finger stretch. Let me see you finger stretch. Here we go. The word is mug. Mug. Please write the word mug on number 8. Mug. All right, our ninth word is the word bud. Bud. Fingers ready. B, d. Bud. B, U, D spells bud. Our last word is the word lug. Lug. O, g. Lug. O, g. Lug. All right, boys and girls, now we're going to flip our paper to the side and we are going to choose 5 words to write on our rainbow today. I'm just going to do numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. But you can choose whatever words you like best. So number 1 is rub. B. 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 And I'm writing with my pencil, boys and girls, as I do this. B. 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 Way to go. Now I'm going to choose 4 more words to write on my rainbow. I'm going to do number 2, fun. Mm. 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 All right, I wrote the word fun on my second line of my rainbow. On my third line, I'm going to do gut. G, t. G, t. G, t. G, t. And it gets a little small, and you're just going to do your best. And you can pause if you need to. Then I'm going to do the word cup. Please pause if you need to. And the last word I'm going to do is tub. Way to go, boys and girls. Once you've written all of your words on your rainbow, you then can pick some colors and color over your pencil whatever color you'd like it to be. And I know I'm moving a little fast, so feel free to pause so you can do your best work. All right, when you're done, go ahead and do the back side. If there is a back side, it is optional. And move into Lexia so you can get your 12 units for free time Friday. You did great. Way to go. Bye-bye.